Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. The private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, is calling for a review of the board of the Spectrum Management Authority to ensure that the chairman, Trevor Forrest, has not overstepped his authority in other matters. This follows the revelation that Mr. Forrest attempted to insert a resume for Carolyn Warren after the recruitment exercise was well advanced. His action, despite resistance from then Managing Director Dr. David McBean. PSOJ President Howard Mitchell says there should be a review of any action Mr. Forrest might have taken on other boards on which he sits.
In the circumstances, my opinion is that Mr. Trevor Forrest's actions as chairman of Spectrum Management Authority and on the other board should all be reviewed to ensure that he has not taken any other steps outside of his authority. And he should be required to take refresher courses in the governance rules that exist now.
And the PSOJ is also renewing its call for the implementation of a governance framework to monitor the conduct of public sector boards.
Because if we have that in place and if we have somebody monitoring the conduct of the board, then you won't get these wildcard behaviors. And the point is, it's not that the PSOJ is trying to tear down government or trying to be obstructive. It is that for the first time since the 1960s, the Jamaican economy is poised, we believe, for growth. And it would be a shame if we do anything to jeopardize that growth because of ignorance or because of a lack of knowledge of proper protocols or because of inappropriate conduct.